Hi parents, welcome back to another math hour. Today I'm going to show you how to solve another two-step equation, just done differently. Let's take a look at this equation. I'm going to get my pencil right over here. Okay. So we have minus 23 is equal to minus 4a plus 1. We need to solve for the variable a. Okay. Now, first things first. I don't like my equation looking like this. I'm used to my variable, which means my letter, to be on the left side of the equation. So you know what? I'm just going to flip the equation around. I'm going to take all this and move it on this side. I'm going to take my minus 23 and I'll move it on this side. Okay, let's take a look. How do we do that? I'm going to start by taking all this, minus 4a plus 1 equals minus 23. And there, that's step number 1. I just flipped it around. You don't have to do this, but I like to do this because it's easier for me and I like it this way. Okay, I just flipped it around. Step number 1. Step number 2, again, I'm going to draw a little dotted line here right through the equal sign. Remind myself that everything here is on the left side, everything here is on the right side. Okay, this variable of mine, the a, has to stay on the left side, which is very good. Everything else has to move to the right side, the equal sign. Okay, so let's see how we can do that. First things first, plus 1 is in my way. I need to move plus 1 on the right side. How do I do that? I take it opposite of plus 1. The opposite or the inverse of plus 1 becomes minus 1. Okay? The second rule is whatever you do on the left side, you must do it on the right side as well. Since I did minus 1 over here, I'm going to do minus 1 over here as well. Plus 1 minus 1 cancels out because it's equal to 0. Minus 4a is free. And minus 23 minus 1 is minus 24. Okay? That's the first part of solving this equation. The second part is, I want to solve for a variable a. A has got to be alone, independent. At the moment, minus 4 is stuck to a. And we need to snap or break off that minus 4. Okay? And how do you snap it or break it off? You divide it by the same number, minus 4. And whatever you do on the left side, you got to do it on the right side for balance. So if I divided this side by minus 4, I'll divide this side also by minus 4. Okay? Minus 4 divided by minus 4 is 1, which means a is free. And then in your calculator, you can do minus 24 divided by minus 4, and the answer should be positive 6. There we go. A is equal to positive 6. Now, if you're not sure, let's take our answer and substitute it in A and see what we get, okay? So here we go. I'm going to take my equation, the original, minus 23 is equal to minus 4 multiplied by 6, because that's our answer, plus 1. Minus 23 is equal to, minus 4 times 6 is minus 24, plus 1. Minus 23 is equal to, minus 24 plus 1 is minus 23. Are these numbers the same? Yes, they are. It works, which means a equals 6 is the correct answer. This is how you solve a two-step equation. Thank you.